Hi everyone, welcome back to another PMS tutorial. In today's video, we'll show you how to modify the booking amount and room count of a reservation in the PMS application. Let's get started. First, go to Front Office and then click on Bookings. Find the booking for which you want to change the booking amount or room count. Once you locate the booking, click on the booking ID. A pop-up window will appear. Here, click on the Modify button. In the next step, you'll see an edit icon right next to the room details. Click on it, and a new tab will open. Enter the master PIN, and it will allow you to modify the pricing details. You can change the meal plan as well as the pricing details of the room. Let's change the price to $2,000 and click on Update. Your price has been updated successfully. Also, you can modify number of rooms from the room count options, like shown here. And that's it. This is how you can modify the pricing details and room counts of a reservation. If you ever need help or have questions about using PMS, feel free to reach out. We're always happy to assist. Don't forget to check out our other tutorial videos. You'll find the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial videos.